This tutorial will show you how to integrate GTranslate into your WordPress website. Specifically, I'll cover the integration process for both modern and older WordPress themes. Start by installing and activating the GTranslate plugin. It's free and available in the WordPress repository. After activation, the plugin automatically adds a language selector in the bottom right corner of the page. Visitors can immediately switch the language of the website using a predefined list of languages. To customize this list, open the plugin settings and use the provided checkboxes to add or remove languages from the selector. We have already seen the floating integration, which is enabled by default. Now let's explore how to add the selector in a custom position of your theme. To begin, select drop-down as the widget style and disable the existing floating language selector. Now let's see how to place the language selector in a custom position in a modern WordPress theme. Go to the Appearance menu and open the Site Editor. Then select Patterns and open the pattern used in the footer of your website. Click the plus button in the position where you want to add the language selector. Then search for the shortcode block and enter the shortcode provided by GTranslate. Save the pattern and visit the front end of the website. You will now see the language selector in the footer. Next, I'm going to switch to an older theme that uses traditional WordPress menus. After changing the theme, open the GTranslate settings again. You will now see that the menu integration option includes the menu locations registered by the active theme. Select one of the available menu locations, then make sure that a menu is assigned to that location from the WordPress menu settings. Now visit the front end of the website. You will see that the language selector has been added to the menu. To conclude the integration methods, let's look at the widget integration, which we haven't covered yet. First, disable the menu integration by setting the dedicated menu option to None. Save the settings and go to the widget screen. Here, I'm going to add the selector to the footer widget area. Click the plus button inside the widget area and search for GTranslate. Add the block to the widget area and enter a title. As you can see, the language selector is now properly displayed on the front end. Now let me show you a few advanced options that allow you to use the plugin at its maximum potential. The plugin gives you the ability to create dedicated URLs for translated pages. Specifically, translated versions can be placed in dedicated subfolders or subdomains. This allows translated pages to be indexed by search engines. Keep in mind that this feature is only available in the paid version. In the settings page, you can preview the appearance of the language selector in real time. Additional style options are also available, such as assigning a custom class to match the selector to the style of your website. As you have seen, GTranslate is a simple plugin that can be learned in just a few minutes. If you also want to manage your multi-language website from an SEO perspective, select the video now appearing on the screen for our tutorial on implementing Hreflang.